Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have replacement wheels for your desk chair. This is a 5-pack. I purchased it myself on Amazon because I need something a little bit less noisy, easy to roll, a little bit higher, and rubber. So it actually can roll smoothly on cement. Destroying the cement. Never did this before. So I just got it today, actually. It was delivered this morning, set of 5. And that's what they look like. And they're ball bearing. And they're nice and tall, and they should make the chair much nicer, because right now it's so rough and noisy, it's not even funny. And it's really terrible. And I don't really care. These are black, they're probably gonna get all dirty and everything. I don't care. So they make a huge difference in performance of the chair. Instead of those plastic wheels, these are rubber. These are hard rubber, they're identical to rollerblades. Rollerblade wheels. Same size, 3 inches, ball bearing. I just want it to be higher. I want it to be a little bit more comfortable, easy to roll, and that's the purpose of it. And these are really nice. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase them. We're going to install them now, and we're going to see how nice it is. I just showed you an example of what it looks like now, and this is exciting. Pull the old ones off and pop the new ones on. Simple as that. Let's go to it. Much better. Oh my God. That's a freaking home run. Whoa. Gee whiz. Why'd I wait so long to do this? Wow, this is great. Look at that. Oh my God. That's crazy. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.